Why does home staging work? Stay tuned. Hey, Tori here with ToriToth.com, where we help you set the stage at home, at work, and in life. If you're new to the channel, hello. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification button so you know when I upload a new video. Today, I wanted to answer another important question I get asked by a lot of viewers like you. Why does home staging work? Just like anything you're going to sell, it must be merchandised and marketed correctly in order to attract the right buyer at the highest offer. As a home stager, it's our job to put your home in the best possible light to get the biggest return on your investment. It's just like detailing a car before you sell it. You have to make sure your home is well maintained and cleaned to justify the value of the price tag. Staging will help make your property look more expensive, and here's why. Only 10% of home buyers can envision the potential of a home. So if it's vacant, if it's cluttered or dirty, the buyer won't be able to see what could be. That's why it's our job to open their eyes. We need to show them the life they could lead if they lived here. Look, there is so much counter space here for cooking. And come here. We can have date nights right here. Oh my goodness, and you get the point. When a buyer has to think about how to use each room, they begin to second guess the space. Something you don't want them to do. Sellers, by taking on the responsibility of preparing your home for sale, it suggests to buyers that you take excellent care of your home all the time, and they won't start nitpicking at the price or cosmetic blemishes. Oh, look, there's like nicks all here in the wall. Check out this leaky faucet. Like, what's happening here? And what's this about? Look, buyers want to do as little as possible when buying a home. So by doing the work for them, they will feel like they can just move right in and relax. Oh, and did I mention that home staging helps justify that large price tag you're asking for? And with a perfectly staged property in excellent condition, there just isn't much left to negotiate on. You've got the upper hand. If you have home staging questions or need help finding a qualified home stager, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to help you. And if you're looking for more home staging tips, don't forget to go check out this video here and subscribe below, and you can check out all of our home tips at ToriToth.com. Until next time, happy selling.